To exclude apps so they will not be closed when optimization occurs in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap memory. Next, tap excluded apps. Tap plus icon at the top right. Now select the desired app. As the example, we will add Google and Weather. And then tap add to add the selected apps to the excluded app list. Go back to the memory menu. By adding apps to the excluded app list, your phone will exclude those apps, in this case Google and Weather, from memory usage check, so that they will not be listed in the apps list that are currently use memory, as you can see here, and they will not be closed when the optimization occurs to close all apps that are running in the background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.